Key milestones: enterprise-wide deployment, cloud integration, AI, machine learning. And SAs introduced enterprise-wide deployment option, facilitating widespread adoption across large organizations. Cloud integration: SAS embrace cloud computing, providing a scalable solution for data analytics and storage in the cloud environment. AI and machine learning: integration of advanced AI and machine learning capabilities into SAS storage, enabling cutting-edge data analysis and modeling. So, what can we understand from cloud integration is that in context of SAS, cloud integration refers to seamless incorporation of tool processes into cloud computing environment. Due to cloud integration, here's some theories of data science SAS is known like scalability and flexibility, data storage accessibility, cost efficiency, collaboration and remote access, elastic power, compute power, data security compliance with real-time analytics and automatic update and maintenance. So it can be understood that cloud integration allows organizations to scale their SS infrastructure based on varying demands of data processing and analysis. Storing data in cloud provides a centralized and easily accessible repository, which SAS can integrate with cloud storage solution, allowing for efficient data management and retrieval during analytics process. Cost efficiency: cloud computing model often follow a pay-as-you-go structure. By integrating SAS with cloud, organization can manage costs more efficiently, paying only for the resource used during the data process and analysis. With its integration of facility collaboration among teams and remote access to SAS tools and data sets. SAS can also leverage elastic compute capabilities of the cloud during intensive data processing tasks. Additional computing resources can be provisioned dynamically and scaled down when no longer needed, optimizing performance and cost. It also provides a robust security measures in place, integrated SAS with cloud servers, ensuring data security and compliance with industry regulation, addressing concern related to data privacy and confidentiality, which has led to be the popular software to be used. Cloud integration facilities, which is a real-time analytics by providing infrastructure needed for processing and analyzing data streams. Also, and cloud servers also often handle routine maintenance tasks through updates automatically, which ensure SAS2 is integrated with cloud are running on the latest version with minimum disruption to ongoing data science activities. From enterprise-wide management, we can say that due to its capabilities with cloud integration, AI, machine learning, and the tools security robustness provided, it is popularity. It has been highly used in the business world, which not only helps in data management and many times of repurposing data structures, but also data and also data making decisions for the businesses. AI and machine learning, from that we can understand that due to the advanced use of AI, machine learning tests and capabilities allowing robust tools abilities to the SAS is should it enables a cutting edge data analytics and perform modeling. Due to which scientists can optimize and have their hypothesis and have a greater understanding of trends pattern correlation within their data.